Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't